10, 20, 25. We use this and that setup to step on here, and we were able to get the track in. You can see it's working smoothly. So what happens is there's a plastic wheel that fell off the track, and then I put the wheel back on the track, and now it is smooth. So I would get some WD-40 shoot the track, and also this track on this side it's kind of flimsy, and I think that's how it fell out. So I would reinforce it with some more screws. You can see it's very flimsy right here and solid on this side. So we'll come back with some screws and some WD-40, and hopefully this can last a longer time. All right. Could happen again, or it could be good. And if it happens again, maybe we'll bend this metal a little bit in more so it has the less chance of falling off. All right.